Hey, we back at it again. So yeah, I got my new toy, a 73 dunk, and there's a little issues that I don't like about these dunks. That all my guys be having the same problem. Is the top not going up and down, or these little back rear glass get off track and they won't go up and down, or you're at a car show and your windows are too out. So it's our first dunk, like I said. So we're gonna try to do everything ourselves and show you step by step how to fix it, because we've been on YouTube and really nobody's really out there, showing the world how easy it could be fixed by somebody. So this is our new top. We're gonna make a video how install the convertible top. We're going blue to match the color of the car. I don't like that black, so we're gonna go navy blue. But we're not gonna take it to nobody. We're just gonna do it ourselves and show people how easy all this stuff could be done. I'm taking some risks. Light skin bit, but you know that she thick. It said I was bumping when I remixed tick. Never used to feel me, I bet you feel. I think we're gonna keep this one, man. I'm back Chevy King, so this is my first Vert. And I think I'm liking it already, man. We might just end up taking this one to the car show. One thing for sure, you can't hide from the beam. Double up my cup and fill through a lean. Trying to ride clean like the box Chevy King. Wanna fuck with the team, you gotta come with a fee. This is my brother, bro.
What's up, man? We're gonna show y'all a little bit here. So of course we got it's an off-track case. The window's off track. Just came out. Whatever it may be, age, people being rough with it. You gotta treat it nice. It is a classic. This originally was off here, but it's a pain in the ass to try to get it on right. So we're gonna show y'all real quick. Basically, what you want to do is remove your paneling off. Remove the clip that holds in, and then you got right here is your assembly. And what you want to do is take off these 4 bolts that'll loosen this up here. You want to be very, very careful removing the last one, because you don't want your window to break. These windows are hard to get, very expensive, so you just want to be careful on the last bolt. Hold everything, kind of hold the window in place, and we'll show you the rest. All right, so once you get that last screw out, you got to adjust it here. Get this out, lift up the window by hand, get the track out. As you can see now, we can drop this window up and down, bring it up. So in our case here, this window was completely gone out of the track here, and we also have a center piece here that kind of keeps it on track as well, that we have to do. So in order to get that window, we have to go all the way up with the window here. We had to remove this track as well here, because the centerpiece that holds the track with the window here was actually what popped off as well. So it looks like we're gonna have to go ahead and remove these 2 bolts here, and there's one here in the center. And once you remove that, it'll allow you to move this in, and the track will drop down here. What we needed to do is to go back on track here. So at the very top here, there's a spot where that plastic piece could just slide right in. So we're gonna have to deal with it the hard way here. So I'll go ahead and try that here. And like I said, you just have to feel for it, and just kind of try to get it back on track here. The problem with some of these is that this track here wears down, and so as you can see, this one's got a lot of play. We might need to replace it. We'll see how it does here. Just slide it up, and we want to go ahead and get this back on track here. Slide it in. As you can see, looks like we good now. All that's left to do is to realign your screw holes here, get one, and then wiggle it around, and the rest should align up. So it makes it easier if you just get one in first. Still got a little bit of room, and as you can see, we can see another one. Now that we got those, you can just readjust the window here, and it should align the rest of them for us. should be good, man. And all you got to do is just tighten the rest down.